Okay, in that case, like here we have component, na? So CM, I told you place a component. In this place a component, like we can able to see something here automatically coming. For example, like this role, like for the Revit MEP, okay, the Revit MEP thinks it's automatically coming, but we can either load some of the furnitures, go here, and unfortunately we not uh, got those files when we installed. So I can choose from 2020 version. So libraries, Imperial, and you can able to see the furniture. You can able to load all these things. You can see the preview, right? Okay. I can just take the TV stand and TV screen, click open. It's upgrading to the 2024 version. Now we can able to have those two components here in between the walls. And see, I'm consider we have wall here, and we can also go to the TV stand and then TV. TV I can go to the 50-inch. Okay, then you can see in the 3D view, it will come both in a floor plan. So you can able to, what we can do, you can able to align it. Go for align, select the top and then select the bottom. So we just align the TV on top of the particular stand. It's the shaded mode like this. If you want something more, then you can able to put the elevation directly here, maybe in the wall. So you have some stand where you can able to have your what we can say the DVD players or something like that, speakers and all. But we are going to put the wall mounted TV. So which means like you can put the elevation. So these are all the things like we can able to get from the load family from component, place a component. Okay, but we can also make our own families. How we can make our own family model in place, that is like only we can use in this project, but we can also go to file and new family. So you can go to furniture and you can create your own furnitures. So that what you created also we can have here. Okay, simple family furniture creations we are going to see now. Okay, now we don't have anything, so we are in a reference plane, which means like a top view. Okay, now what I'm going to do means like I'm going to extrusion. So you can take this way. Okay, then click it. We just completed the extrusion. Okay. Then if you want reference line, we can also have reference line. Create reference line, reference plane like that we have. Okay, now what I'm going to do is annotate. I'm going for annotate and taking aligned. So this way I'm going to keep here. Again, this way I am going to keep here. Okay. So when you click here, equal symbol it is coming. You click that equal symbol so that you will get this way. Okay. You can use trim to corner options. Okay. And I am going to lock this here. Lock, 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 lock. Okay. Then I am going for a elevation, and I am going to have a reference plane also. So create a reference plane. So name, I can put uh, top level. Okay. So this top level, I can able to put the parameter also, annotate. Okay, what I'm going to do means like I am going to put like this. So I'm going to lock it, but you can see the extrusion end. So this one, like I am going to use a, mm, so like this. Okay, and I can put, okay. Okay, now we need to create our own parameters. Okay, so here you can see the family category and parameters. So click the family category and parameter. Okay, this is something else. No need to worry about all these things. Okay, then like we can click here family types. Okay, in family type we have default elevation like that. Okay, we can create our own also. Okay, like I can put length. Click OK. Okay, here I am making. Okay, just leave it. We need to create from here. Okay, new parameter, not from there. So cancel it. So go here. Then I can click here, which is like coming inside. Okay, so then you can put length. So length, we are going to have a type. Okay, then I'm going to take this as a length, the length dimension. Okay, that is fine. Then click OK. It is not an instant parameter. I'm using type parameter. Okay, then I'm going to have width. This is also a kind of a length only. Okay, height. Not there. Okay, the okay. So we need to create here. I just removed it. Okay, height. This is also length dimension. This is like common discipline. Click OK. Okay. We also have default elevation, but we created our own height and all. Height I will put 4 feet. Here also I will put 4 feet, 4 feet. Click OK. Okay, now I am going to choose that one. After for this dimension, I'm going to choose the elevation. Okay. Now you can see here, and I'm going to use 3 feet 9 inches. Okay, now this is the okay default height. Okay. So it's supposed to be locked also in the particular place. Okay, that we will see how it is going to work. Okay, now I'm going for a reference level, and I'm going to annotate aligned. Okay, now we select this, and you can choose the parameter length. Length. Okay, because like we have locked it. Uh, with Okay, actually we locked it, right? That's why it is not coming. What we can do is I just deleted it. Now we will try. Okay, length, and then width. Okay. Okay, from center it is modifying correctly. Now we can go for creation of extrusion. Extrusion, that to which plane? We need to select the plane. Set work plane. Set the top level. Okay. Now I am going to just draw from here. Since we have the plane, right? No need to worry. So now you can lock it. So click OK, which is 3 inches. Okay, now you can see in the okay, now we got it. Now what we can do, we can go to reference plane, and we can go to the create extrusion, set the work plane, reference level, click OK. Otherwise, like we can delete one, we can create, and then we can modify. Okay, then click OK. Then you can see in the reference plane, it is coming this way, right? Okay. Then what we can do means like, okay, you can put 4. Uh, that you need to lock it. Okay. Now we have, okay. Okay. Now I can save this also. File, save as family, like table, save it. Then we can load into the project. So the project one, okay, click open. If you have more than one project open, you will get that one. There you need to select the particular one and you can open it. See, now it came. So for example, you want to place here, and you can see the 3D view for this particular thing. Okay. Okay. This way, like you can able to create our own furniture. See, for this, like we can't able to edit anything here because we choose type. When we have type option, then we need to go inside and you need to modify. For example, if I'm making 8, and then this is height, I'm making 3 feet, but here I'm making 8 feet and 4 feet. Click OK. Can you see how it changed?
Yeah.
Okay, this is how it will work. Okay, because we put a type instance, type not instance. That's why. Like if you are putting here 8, and then here like 5, here I am putting 4. Click OK. Accordingly, like we are getting the table. Okay, but for the material and all, like we don't have see something here, nothing here. So what we can do is like I can go back to the reference plane. These things I can tell you. Okay. So you have here, right? When you click here by category, associate family parameter. Okay, you can create a new, and what we can do means material for top material. Then you put the OK. Then click OK. Then hereafter that material also it will come there. Okay. And apart from that, like we can also select this. See again the material. You can click the button over there, and we can put create new material. Then this is like a leg material. Then no need to change anything. But it is like type only. Now I can choose instance. Click OK. Click OK because I choose only one instant. Okay, now I'm going to save it, then load into project. We will see how it works. Override the existing version. Click the 3D view. Now you can able to see leg material alone. It is coming in the property itself because I choose instance. So it is good now. So in that case, like you can able to use instance option, not otherwise only in the edit type we can see. That is type an instant property. Okay, so I can just take some wood material. So some dark wood. We had yesterday also cherry. I can choose. Okay. Okay, but it is not visible, but we can see the realistic. Okay, okay, it is not coming. Why? Well, anyway, I can go here, edit type, and I can try to choose here cherry. See, when I am applying cherry, it is coming everywhere because leg alone it's not taken. From edit type, if you are changing, it's changing. Okay, it's not taken the other one, but you understand what is like type an instant property. Instant in the sense it will come here. Okay, I can go to
Yeah,
okay reference level. I can just try to remove that actually. Wait a minute. Okay, the leg material because everything is locked. Nah, that's why like we can't able to do it. Okay, so what we can do either you can go here and you can delete those. So leg material default only. So I can just remove this. So the top material and yeah, by default you can choose something like that. Okay, okay, everything like we can also try to change if we have if you have any formula you can also put. For example, like if I am putting a length equal to width. Okay, actually we can also make the formulas. Okay, that's what it is. Okay, but when you make itself like you need to choose a type or instant when you are creating, right? On the time itself like you need to choose instance so that you can do directly from here. Okay, that you keep in your mind. I hope like you understand how to create families and all in a very easy manner.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
So what is this in you said instances only it will show up on the site. So
Instant in the sense it will show in the properties. Here directly you can modify. Otherwise, you need to go to edit type and it will change the whole thing. See, edit type in the sense it will try to change the whole furnitures. But instant in the sense you can have the same component but with different values that we can put here. So it's always better to have instant property. So you can have
yeah,
one different size and another different size, but same component. You understand, right?
okay.
What I mean?
Yeah,
Okay. Otherwise, like I can go here and I can just have a same component again. CM. See, it is like having the same size. If you are just going in the edit type and changing everywhere, it will change. So this is not good. So three, see, everywhere it is changing. So it's not good now. Instant in the sense only
yeah,
one, whatever you are selecting and you can change instant. For instant in the sense only for one change.
okay.
Type in the sense it will change the whole type.
Yeah.
Okay, I can save this also file in that. Okay, so I will create a simple thing so that where you can able to understand what is type an instance again. Okay, I can go to file, new, family, and I can go either of this. Okay, so okay, furniture, click open. Okay, now like I can go for a create. So here I'm clicking family types and I'm going to click new here. So as usual length. Okay, but I'm going to put a instance. Okay. So we also have another parameter, reporting parameter. Okay, but I'm going for instance now. Click OK. Okay, then I am going for another with okay instance. If I'm choosing that reporting parameter, click OK. We will see. Okay, which means like we can't able to put anything. Whatever it is, it will come. That is what a reporting parameter. Okay, so which is not good. Okay, so we can delete it. So we can create a instance parameter, not reporting. Okay. Then we also have default elevation. That one. Okay. Click OK. Then what we can do means like as usual annotate and then back annotate. Okay. So this one should be height. So select it and immediately go to the label height, not width. You should select that as a height. Okay. Default elevation. Then you can go to reference plane. Select this as a width and this as a length. Okay. Now everything, it will come here. Okay. Apart from that, like we can also go for material, like create a material, and also that also instance. Click OK. Okay. Now we can save this as file, save as family cube, cuboid, cube, simple family, simple box. Now I can go to the load into project. Then you need to select which one. Okay. Uh, family example, that one, RVT. Yeah. Okay. You can click OK. Okay. So we can able to have our seat is coming here. Okay. And I am also putting here and here. So three I have paste, but what I'm going to do is here you can see length, width, height. It is not instance because height we choose directly from what we had there now, but here I can choose 6. Okay, see, it is only changing. Rest of the thing not changing. This is what the concept. You got na? So everything like we can try to change by ourselves. This is what instance. Okay, so you can able to see the how it is changing. Even materials also you can choose a different material for different things. In that case, you can choose a instant. Okay, see, this alone like we can have another material. This is what the thing instance. Okay, in the family. Now you understood, I guess. Now you can use this concept to make whatever the family or whatever the furnitures you want. Okay, we can also download such furnitures and all directly from the internet. You have some website. You can search for Revit families, door families, Windows families, like whatever furniture you want. You can search that particular Revit family, and you can able to download from the internet, and we can reuse it. But we can also make such things by ourselves. These things someone made, and then we can reuse that. Okay, the shapes, you can use extrusion. We have sweep, then we have revolve options and all. Whatever we seen in massing, na, the same you can apply for the families also. Got it?
Yeah.
So we have column here, and we can go for structural or architectural column. So architectural column, we have see this kind of columns. See rectangle column we have, and also like this kind of metal clad columns. This is something made using revolve option. Okay. So you can able to click this, and we can go for edit family, and you can able to see how they made it. See, this is how they made it. You can able to see the different plans. View one. We can see the floor plan, ceiling plan, so 3D, elevation, everything. See, they have levels, and they also have something like this. See, this is in revolve only. They use revolve, edit revolve. You can see how they made. They just made the shape. and everything also they are giving parameter. So anything if we are changing everything also it will change. So this is how the families and those components are created. Now you can able to see here everything, the base offset, everything, and you can also change the see these things, joint depth and all. So it was like 1 inch only. If I want a 3 inch, then you can apply. You can see accordingly like you are getting a 3 inch gap. So everything like this we can make. Only the parameters matter. But mostly everything they are using type parameter, not instant parameter. Then you need to duplicate it. If you're duplicating, then you can then do also. It's up to you to decide whether type or instant parameters. Got it? So here everything they use type parameter only. So if you change something everywhere, it will change. So if you don't want, then duplicate and change only for the particular thing. So I hope you understand everything related to the family.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.